Number 35, find all numbers not in the domain of the function. And they've given us the function f of x equals x minus 1 over 3x minus 6. All they're asking us to do for number 35 is to tell them what values of x can we not have for this given function. And the reason that we want to define what values of x we can't have is because if we were to plug in a certain value of x, we are going to invalidate the denominator here, meaning if we plug in a certain value, we may make the denominator 0. We can never have a 0 in the denominator because then our function is undefined. And so what we want to do is find out what that value or values of x are. And the way that we do that is simply by taking our denominator, so in this case 3x minus 6, and we're going to set it equal to 0 and then solve. So 3x minus 6 equals 0. Let's go ahead and add 6 to both sides. That leaves us with 3x equals 6. We're going to solve for x, so we'll divide by 3, and that's going to leave us with x equals 2. Or in this case, x cannot equal 2. So what this is saying is that we can plug in any value in the world for x, any real number for x, except if we were to plug in the number 2, we're going to end up with a 0 in the denominator, and we can't have a 0 in the denominator, right? Because 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 minus 6 gives us 0. Can't have that in the denominator. X can be any other number except 2. So that's what it means when it says find all numbers not in the domain of the function. Take your denominator, set it equal to 0, and solve for x.